guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for coming by today to see this TEMU haul. So this was another part of one order where I placed so that I could get those free items that I showed you in a different video. But I haven't showed you this haul yet. So let's get that shopping cart out of the way, and I'm going to try to go through this very fast because I don't want to take up too much of your time. Uh, and I will have the links for these items in the description box. So this is that craft paper that I've been wanting to order for quite a while now. And this is like really nice cardstock. And I did want this to cut gingerbread people out with. And there was something else I wanted for this. I just like craft paper. I have like a thing for it. And someone was nice enough to send me some too when they knew I wanted it. And that was, I think, Margie from, what is the name of her channel? Oh, jeez. Margie's This, That, and Beyond. Thank you, Margie. Um, so this was in the table scatter department. I guess you call it the, what do you call it? The party section. So this is, I think, 100 die cuts of these gingerbread, candy cane, and a Merry Christmas. And these are great for ATCs or MDCs, and also just for little layering pieces, which I'm practicing still. I can't believe it's been a whole year since you guys sent me the embellishments for the Christmas embellishment challenge that I did. You guys sent me so many, and I can't wait to unpack those too and look at them again and get some ideas from you. So this was also in the party section, and they are 50 each of silver and blue snowflakes, and they're nice and glittery and pretty, and that will save me a lot of time with die cutting as well. I got this little box, and it says mini box, have a nice day. But this is actually a pill container, and I think it came in this color and I want to say white maybe. But you just flip that metal piece up. These are very nicely made, I have to say, and it was I think like $2.49. It was pretty cheap. So you do have your 7 sections, so you could use this for your pills. It has a little tab that you pull up here, or you could make a little embellishment box out of it. I think it's so cute, and I think that would come off with some alcohol. I got this trim. I don't think I'll need any more trim for Christmas. This is, it's over 9 feet. I know that. I measured it. I don't know what that is in yards. Maybe you guys know. I'm not doing math today. So has those little like Swiss dots on it, and it's ruffly and has that pretty gold edge on it. And this was cheap, $1.93 for all that trim. Let's see, what do we have over here? Oh yeah, um, I went to the hard card department again because I still been looking for those Halloween people again, but I can't find them. They discontinued them, so I think I'm gonna try AliExpress or maybe Sheen and see if they have them. But I really wasn't even looking for flowers, but they did have these in different colors, and they are nice cardboard in different colors. Um, and there's a leaf too. I didn't know I was getting some leaves, but you do get 100 of them in this pack, which is quite a bit. So these are great for layering as well. I don't think I'll be using them for Christmas, but I think they're nice colors for next Halloween. I might even pack it with my Halloween that I'm putting away. Well, it's basically all put away, mostly. I did get these little snowmen. They're in a 10 pack, and they are like flocked, so you can feel that texture on them. And they have the cutest little faces and scarves on, and it is a charm, but you could maybe put a hat on top of them and make them be a cabochon and take that little bail out if you wanted to. So I got 2 packs of these because I thought they were a good price for 10 of these. And I can share. So there's that. I got this embossing folder, which is obviously a Christmas tree. And I don't have a Christmas tree. I don't have any Christmas embossing folders of any type, but now I do. And this was $1.93, so that was a good price. And let's see what it measures. Like 4 1/8. That's a weird amount. No, maybe just 4, something like that. And 5 3/4. So that's nice. And my most favorite thing I saved for last, and it is these little dresses made of resin. And I can't believe they all got here not broken because they weren't in bubble wrap or anything. But look how pretty these are. So I really wanted to get these to I think they will fit on the gorgeous girl die that I have. So I can have her in a pretty, pretty dress. I suppose you could drill a hole through here. They're flat on this side, completely flat. Uh, uh, Maybe make a charm out of it, but I don't know if I'd risk trying to drill a hole through these and breaking them. They're just so pretty. I think they had different colors you could choose, and you could choose different amounts. And I got 15 of them. And this was the most expensive thing that I got. It was $6.55. Uh, but that's what was with my returns and my credits and blah blah blah, and the free things that I got. So thank you guys for watching. I always appreciate you coming and watching my videos. And this is pre-recorded, but I'll be back soon. And that's not a threat. That's a promise. And I'll see you next time with something new.